Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to create this very wearable soft smoky eyes paired with pink lips for this year's Saraswati Puja, and it's a very wearable look which you can definitely wear with any of your favorite outfits with any colored sari of your choice. And today I have worn it with my baby pink Dhakai Jamdani sari and it's looking absolutely stunning. You can use some of your basic eyeshadows to create this look and it will be looking absolutely gorgeous. Make sure you subscribe and let's get started. So as usual, I have well prepped my skin using a lot of moisturizer, and today I have used this Disguise CC Sorbet, which works really well on all skin types out there to moisturize your skin. For my eyebrows today, I am using this Faces Canada ULTIME Pro Brow Defining Pencil in the shade dark brown, and using this pencil product I am going to outline my brows like this and also going to fill it in. And this particular product works so well on my brows, guys. It's very long lasting because it has got a kind of very nice waxy texture which holds my brows for a very long time. It's just like a pomade in the form of pencil and it's very affordable. You can definitely try this one out. And using a spoolie, I'm going to distribute the product on all over my brows so that it looks nice and even. Now to add some more boldness to my brows, I'm using this Nykaa eyebrow filling powder, and using this powder product I'm going to apply it just in the middle of my brow and going to extend it towards the tail of my brows. This part is completely optional. Since I like more like bold looking brows, I'm using this product. You can definitely use the pencil only. Using a little bit of concealer, I'm going to clean out the edges so that my brows look really prominent, lifted, and it looks much more crisp and nice. Using the spoolie again, I'm going to make everything looks really nice and neat and clean. And you can see this is how my bold eyebrows are looking now. I really like, and the product is amazing, guys. This eyebrow pencil is one of my favorites. You can definitely give this one a shot. Now to prime my skin today, I'm using this PAC Oil Control Primer, which is becoming one of my favorite primers, guys. If you have oily skin, you can use any silicone based primer. If you have dry skin, you can use any hydrating primer of your choice, but make sure that you prime your skin because a primer actually helps in holding your foundation, sticking your foundation on your face for a very long time, and you have to prime your skin. And this particular primer, being an oil control primer, is really hydrating on the skin, guys. I don't like very matte looking primers on the face, and this one is working so well on my skin. For the foundation today, I'm using one of my favorite long lasting foundations of all time. It's the L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear Foundation in the shade 260 Golden Sun, and I'm going to use a damp sponge to blend out my foundation. And you can see this foundation is having medium to full coverage. It helps in hiding my imperfections really well, and when it sets, guys, it's not going to budge. This is such a long lasting foundation. If you sweat, it's not going to budge. I really love it, so I'm recommending you this one. It adds such a nice semi dewy kind of look on the face, which I really like. For the concealer today, I'm using this Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Warm Beige. You can use L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer for this purpose as well. I'm just using a little bit of concealer because I don't want to make my face look cakey, because we'll be wearing makeup mostly during the daytime, so we don't want to make our face look cakey. I'm just applying it in the inner out of my eyes and just a little bit in the outer wing of my eyes, and going to blend the same using a damp sponge. And you can see this concealer is a complete full coverage concealer, but it looks so healthy under my eyes. It gives me such a nice look, which actually looks really good in pictures, and I really love, guys, this concealer. I've also put this concealer just on some spots which I have on my face. You can use any concealer, or if you have very flawless looking skin, you can definitely skip concealer, but this one is highly recommended. Now to set my concealer, I'm using this loose setting powder by KAYBEAUTY. It's our HD loose setting powder in the shade 04 Latte, and using a powder brush, I'm going to slowly just dust it off under my eyes to just set my under eyes. This powder is very finely milled. It doesn't have any coverage, so it doesn't look cakey on the face. Now whatever product will be left on the brush, I'm going to slowly just distribute it and evenly apply it on all over my face to just set my face. I'm not using any extra product. And now it's time to do my eyes. For the eyes today, I'm using this is All I Need eyeshadow palette by TANN Beauty. which has got a lot of warm tone shades. You can use a basic neutral warm tone palette for this look. I'm using this rusty brown shade at first. This is a matte eyeshadow and I'm just evenly applying it on all over my lid as my base eyeshadow. And you can see you can use any light brown shade for this purpose. And now using this orangish, light orangish kind of shade, I'm just blending it on all over my crease to blend out the previous shade which I have applied just on all over my lid. Taking this dark burgundy shade and mixing it with the dark brown shade, I'm going to apply it just in the outer corner of my eyes, basically on the outer V of my eyes, to create some depth on my eyes. You can use any chocolate brown shade or dark brown eyeshadow. You have to just create depth on your eyes. Now I'm taking this black kajal. This one is by Faces Canada. Again, you can use any black creamy kajal that you have, and I'm going to slowly scribble it very close to my lashes on my lid. And taking a pencil brush, I have started on smudging that kohl to create a kind of smudgy, smoky looking eyeliner. So I'm taking my time and slowly just smudging the kohl, as you can see, and taking it, just flicking this out on the outer wing of my eyes to create a kind of winged eyeliner, like a smudgy winged eyeliner. I haven't used any kind of black eyeshadow or any more kajal, guys. Whatever product was there on the brush, I'm just smudging that, and you can see it is looking so smudgy, so diffuse and nice. Now taking that dark brown shade from the palette, I'm going to diffuse the edges of the liner which I have created to make everything look really nice, diffuse, and it actually helps in creating a nice gradient on your eyelid. So it's very easy to create, guys. Once you do it, you will be just used to it and you can do it very fast. It's very easy to create. Using the same kajal, I'm going to tightline my upper waterline to just make my lashes look really voluminous. And for my lower waterline, I'm using this burgundy kajal from COLORBAR. It's a Just Smoky eye pencil in the shade Just Marsala, which is a deep burgundy shade, and I'm going to just tightline my lower waterline with it, and also going to apply it thickly on my lower lash line. You can use a brown eye pencil, you can use a black eye pencil for this look as well, but I really love this kind of very intense kohl look. So I have applied it thickly on my lower lash line, which I have smudged out using this dark rusty brown shade from the palette. And using this dark brown shade, I'm going to apply it just in the outer 2/3 of my lower lash line to create more dramatic, more smokier look on my eyes. This part is completely optional, guys. With this kind of look, you don't need to put a winged eyeliner, but I love creating winged eyeliner on my eyes, so I have used this particular one by LAKME. It's very affordable. It's jet black and it's having more like a semi matte kind of finish, which looks really good, guys. You can definitely skip a winged eyeliner for this look. Now for the mascara, today I'm using PAC Double Volume Volumizing Mascara, which adds such a nice volume to my lashes. It helps in lengthening my lashes, guys. And if you add 2 to 3 coats of this particular mascara, you are done. You don't need to apply any false eyelash or anything. This is such a nice mascara, which you can definitely try out. One of my favorites, and I really like it. Although I have used a pair of falsies, as usual, PAC Mink eyelash in number M75, and this is how the final eye look turned out. It looks so stunning. Now it's time to complete the rest of my face. I'm contouring my face using this MYGLAMM Pose HD Bronzer Duo, which comes with a cool tone contour shade as well as a reddish toned bronzy shade. But I'm going to mix these two shades and going to just apply it under my cheekbones. Basically on the areas where I just need to create artificial shadows so that my face look really structured and defined. Also going to apply it on my forehead, on my jawline, and it blends really well. The quality is really good, guys, and it looks really good even during the daytime. So you can definitely use this product for contouring your face. Just don't use a lot of this, use a little bit of this and you will be looking absolutely stunning. I'm just using a little bit of loose powder on my damp sponge and applying it under my contour so that my face look really highlighted, and it actually helps in sharpening your contour really well. Also applying a little bit of loose powder on the center of my nose, and you can see this is how my contoured face looks like. It adds a lot of definition to your face. For the blush today, I'm using COLORBAR Cheek Illusion blush in the shade Sweet Scarlet, one of my favorite dusty rose earthy toned blush, and this particular blush actually goes really well on all skin tones and can be paired up with any of your eye looks and lipsticks, and it's very very pigmented. Today I've used a lot of blush on my face. As you can see, I'm just blending it really well on the apples of my face and taking it towards my ears and blending it really well with my contour shade so that everything looks seamless and nice. If you have overdone your blushes, you can use damp sponge and it will be looking seamless and nice. For the highlighter today, I'm using this KAYBEAUTY illuminator in the shade Champagne Fizz. Such a gorgeous warm champagne shade with hints of gold, rose gold in it. And I really like this particular shade, guys. Tapping off the excess, I'm going to apply it on the highest points of my face and just taking it a little bit towards my cheeks. And this is a hack which I am currently applying. And it's actually working, guys. It actually helps in making my cheeks look really glowy. So you can see I'm just taking it towards my cheeks and blending it really well. Also, I've applied the highlighter on the center of my nose, on my cupid's bow, chin, a little bit on my forehead, and this is such a stunning highlighter which doesn't look cakey or over the top, and you can definitely use this. Taking this highlighting shade from the palette, from the eyeshadow palette which I have used, I'm going to highlight the inner corner of my eyes because this particular look needs a lot of highlighting effect to make your face look really glowy and nice. Also highlighting my brow bone with the help of the same highlighting shade from the eyeshadow palette, and you can see this is how my face is looking now. Neutralizing my lips because today I'm going to apply a gorgeous stunning pink lipstick. This one is a very affordable lipstick from Maybelline. It's her transfer proof lipstick in the shade 834, which is called Rainbow, a perfect girly pink shade, warm pink shade, and it will be definitely looking amazing mostly on medium to British skin tones. If you belong to dark to deep skin category, you can try out Lakme Absolute Matte Revolution lipstick in the shade Pink Million, which will be absolutely looking stunning. That one is also a great deep pink shade, and it settles into a complete transfer proof matte finish which is not going to budge. You can see this is such a pretty shade which will be pairing up really well with most of your outfits. Now setting my overall face with this Maybelline Lasting Fix makeup setting spray, which has got the worst sprayer ever that I have used till date. Now using my damp sponge on all over my wet face to reduce all the powderiness, and this hack actually works, guys. It helps in making your face look so smooth and so nice. Added my favorite big black bindi and a pair of jhumkis which I picked up from Myntra, and I really like these earrings, and I love wearing jhumkis because it looks the best with sari. Also, I've worn this baby pink Dhakai Jamdani sari with pink blouse and have paired it with this beaded layered necklace which is million years old. That's all, guys. This is my take on this year's Saraswati Puja makeup look. It's so wearable, and if you wear it, you will be turning into a complete bong diva. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. A lot of videos are on its way. Happy Saraswati Puja to every one of you. I love you so much. Take care. Bye, guys.